Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on addition and subtraction. The number line is a wonderful tool for helping us to perform various calculations in the areas of addition and subtraction. The following rules guide us when we are doing addition and subtraction on the number line. In simple terms, for addition, move to the right. For subtraction, move to the left. Let's see how these rules work for these examples. The first one, now what we're doing, we're just demonstrating how we can do all these examples on the number line. I know you can do these mentally and in your head, but we need to know how it works on the number line for the more difficult examples. So we start with 3 plus 4. We focus on the first number, which is 3. So you start at 3, that is, you put your marker on the 3 there, and you move 4 places to the right, because that's plus. Remember, for addition, move to the right. So that's plus, so we move to the right. So we put the marker on 3, and we count 4 places to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, and that's why the answer is 7. Number 2, 8 minus 5. Start at 8, because that number is 8, which is plus 8. So we put our marker there. That's minus 5. That means it's subtraction, so we move 5 places to the left. So there's our 8, and now we move 5 places to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that gives us 3. Number 3, 4 minus 6. Start at 4 and move 6 places to the left. There's the 4. We move 6 places to the left because of the subtraction. So you start at 4 and let's go 6 places to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And that's why the answer is negative 2. For the next one, minus 3 minus 5. Start at minus 3, which is here, and move 5 places to the left because of the subtraction. So there's minus 3. Let's move 5 places to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the answer is minus 8. For the next one, minus 6 plus 7 minus 2. Here is the first number. Start at minus 6 and move 7 places to the right. That's because of the plus 7. After we've done that, and whatever we land on, then move 2 places to the left. So all you do is just follow from one to the other, one after the other. When you see a plus, you move to the right. When you see a minus, you move to the left. So we start at minus 6, which is here. Now, plus 7, we move 7 places to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then move 2 places to the left. 1, 2, and that's why the answer is minus 1. Now here we have 4 digits with a mixture of plus and minus. So let's just quickly get into it. Let's do those two first. So we start at minus 7 because that's the first number. Then because you have plus 9, you move 9 places to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That gives us 2. That's why it's plus 2. Now we do those two. So we have plus 2 minus 4. So we put our marker on plus 2. We move 4 places to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that gives you minus 2, and that's why that's minus 2. Then you have plus 3 because of that, so we only have that left. So we start at the minus 2, and you go 3 places to the right. 1, 2, 3, and the answer is 1 or plus 1. Number 7, 3 minus minus 2. Now you would have been told that the like signs translate to a plus sign. Okay, when you have two signs that are alike next to each other, whether they're both pluses or they're both minus, they translate to a plus sign. So that's really 3 plus 2. So you start on 3, you move another 2 places to the right, and that's why you get 5. And finally, 4 plus minus 7. When you have signs next to each other that are unlike, they're not the same, they translate to a negative. So we start at 4 and move 7 places to the left. Start at 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and there's your answer, negative 3. So this video has shown us how to use the number line to perform addition and subtraction. And we've seen the very important rule. If we have a plus sign in front of a number, we move to the right. If we have a minus sign next to the number, we move to the left.